Gold has created yesterday a bullish candle, and we can see it is continuing for several days this bullish momentum where the price has tried to reach a higher price levels, then it has bounced from the supply zone, the resistance level, go down and then bounce back up. So we can see the price is forming these bullish candles and it's moving forward to the upper side to the higher price levels. Yesterday I have mentioned about the possibility that the price could make a bearish breakout going further down on the 4-hour time frame, but this was not successful very good, because we can see here after the price formed this bearish breakout, the price did not go all the way to the first support level. So yesterday it was not very good, and also there was still too much breakout happening on the market, so there was now also signals going to premium analysis to the traders. For now, okay, we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout above this area of resistance, a supply zone above 2653.45, and this is something I have shared inside the premium analysis with traders, so they know where is the target. So the target is the first resistance level, a supply zone right here. On the daily time frame, we can see how this looks. The price is currently forming a bullish breakout above this important daily resistance level, a supply zone where the price currently is. Just a minute, I need to fix this one because it is not on the right level. Just a minute, sorry. Okay, rectangle, I need to move rectangle a little bit. Just a minute, here it is. Sorry. So the price is trying to make bullish breakout, which means if the price makes this bullish breakout, it will try to move further higher. So how did Friday? Today is Friday, the end of the week, when usually the traders get out from their trades. So this could be also a possibility to in the afternoon the price could return back down or continue to rise in value further and stronger. What will happen we'll see later on, but it is always the best to avoid trading in the afternoon, just to avoid sharp moves and also the moves that are against the analysis. So how the price will behave for now? It looks that the price is trying to move higher, and we can see on the lower time frame the price is forming this bullish breakout, and it's already formed. That means the price is trying to continue to rise in value. So this is something that I am expecting that this Friday the price will try to do, and where the price will stop right here at this resistance level, or it will make a bullish breakout going above it even further up, where the next level on the 4-hour time frame will be 2690.07. On the 1-hour time frame we can see a small levels where the price could stop. But for the daily, this is something that is very important. If the price makes a bullish breakout, we can see that after that the first resistance level will be around 2670, the next one will be 2684, and then after that this one here around 2700 as a round number. So if you would like to also to receive on the smaller scale, which means on the smaller time frame, 1-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, when there is a breakout bullish or bearish where the price could go, which is a very important for the daily. For the higher time frame, because it is starting to move and making a bullish breakout or bearish breakout on lower time frames, which usually transfers to the higher time frames for the further rise or for the fall in the future for several days. So if you would like to receive that information, check the premium analysis I have for the traders below, so you can also join. That's all for today, and see you next time. Happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.